So in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab P11. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, enter menu and go to settings. Go to Google Assistant, voice match and enable this function. Tap next, agree, and now let's try it out. Hey Google. Now we are sure it's working. Let's go back and enter lock screen. Also make sure that assistant responses on lock screen are enabled, and now you can simply lock the screen and say, hey Google, what's the weather like tomorrow?
Tomorrow in Krakow, it'll be partly cloudy, with a high of 47 and a low of 34.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.